Hello, my fellow investors. Green Dot Whisperer back again, here to drop a good stock on you. Financial sector set to blow up is something I have on my target for year 2021, and I want to share with you what I just bought for my own portfolio. And it still has great value. You did not miss the boat. But I brought you this article first. This is it, guys. First of all, I traded this and I bought this a while ago, not a while ago, maybe 1 or 2 days ago, on webull. Webull, guys, is giving out 4 free stocks now. So go ahead and sign up with Webull. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and get your free money. Go ahead. All you have to do is deposit $100 and you won't get one, not two, not three, but 4 free stocks. So Wells Fargo, I have an average share price of $32.72. And I bought it on January 6th. Now, this article right here, among financial stocks, none look more of a screaming bargain than money center bank Wells Fargo at a 76% of its at 76% of its book value. Wells Fargo is nearly the cheapest multiple relatively to its book value in the last 3 decades. Cheap stocks usually become cheap for a reason. In Wells Fargo's case, it's because the company opened 3.5 million unauthorized accounts between 2009 and 2016. It's since paid hefty fines to the Justice Department and reworked how to cross sell at the branch level to avoid the reoccurrence. Thankfully, PR nightmares rarely have a lasting effects on bank stocks, which is pretty true if you take into consideration what happened to SC, when they got caught laundering money for cartels and terrorists. That was, people should have went to jail for that, but they just paid a ticket, paid a fine, and everybody went home and everything was okay. So, anywho, Wells Fargo, that being said, that article being read, is the last commercial bank that has to rebound, and it is the one that been hit the hardest, as the article read. So if you look here, I have opened up the graph for the month chart on Wells Fargo. I'm going to explain to you why this does represents great value, not because the article said so, not because the news told me so, because the chart said so. So right here, September 1st, it's printed a green dot on the month chart. And you can see this was your lowest point right here. Your steel would have been at $20.85 a share. But we are currently sitting in the $30 level right here. So we still have room though. This is our SMA, our simple moving average. Hasn't even crossed up yet. VWAP here. So when the VWAP crosses the SMA, we should get a nice little run up to our first resistance line. And that's like $55. So I could safely say that $55 is a good target for Wells Fargo. And the month chart takes a long time to play out, but 55 is safe to me. Of course, I bought this and I sniped the entry, so because it was great value here on the month chart. But you also have to keep going down to the other time frames and analyze it to see where you could buy it. So let's see what it's currently doing now. Now back today. This was currently today. Let's see. Today it did sell off a little bit over here. You can see it got a red dot. But it went down and then it started to reverse already. You can see those green candles. So what that might mean actually is that this red dot is going to end up printing a green dot pretty soon. And you can see that this is what me and my business partner like to refer to as a Kobe dot, because it's going to have no momentum going downward. So it's going to be another push up. And this is what you usually see. You usually see it go up to the second resistance line. So in the near term future, you could definitely see it up at $32 a share. Now, let me never forget to mention that this pays a dividend, and it was forced to cut its dividend because of banking regulations that was put on it because of Corona, because they were scared that too many people were going to default on loans and a whole bunch of things going to happen. But as the economy starts rebounding in 2021, hopefully, we should see a lot of these restrictions being lifted off of the banks. And all of those safety nets, all that cash that they have in safety nets, they now get to move over it. And it's not longer a liability. They get to claim it on their earning report. So they're going to have a big boost in earnings to come. But, ooh, this negged it. On the day chart, he got a red dot today. So, yeah, it's probably going to reverse still. Let me see, actually. Made me take back what I said on the 4 hour. Yeah. Red dots on the 7 hour that came today. That still has to correct. It was pretty high up there at an 86 level. So, that, I mean, long term is bullish. So it had a significant run already, though. I mean, it's going to correct, but like I said, the month chart still represents great value. Over here, MACD is about to cross. When this crosses up and crosses the histogram, it's going to pop. That's a big energy base right there. So, and you can see this perfectly going. And we still have to make it up to 37.99 no matter what. But it's trying to reverse it. It did have a nice little run already, as you can see. When was that? Let's see. October 30th. It was at $20.97, guys. So already started creeping up, and you can see the bullish trend now. And that's because the month chart is working. The month chart is going to take a very long time to play out, but we're going to be in an ascending pattern now. So this is why I decided to tell you guys now. Check this chart out, do your own research, see if this fits your portfolio, because it's going to have some returns. It fits my portfolio, like I said, because I want to grow this stock as the share price grows, have capital appreciation, and have dividend appreciation, dividend growth. So I think this one's going to fit that mark for me. So it fits into my portfolio. It's already been added to. Here we are. This is better. This is more promising. This is a 30-minute chart. This is a buy signal here on the 13th of January at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But you can see these Bollinger Bands right here. How it's big, has a big belly over here. But now it's started to consolidate. So let's see what that consolidation means. Because normally when it squeezes and it consolidates like that, it's going to break high in either direction. But this time, it decided to break high. Shot up. Same thing, small consolidation breaks high. So this is kind of what point we're at now right here. See this consolidation? And look at this. What have we preached before in prior videos? This yellow line is the VWAP. And you see, since we got a green dot here and those candles keep traveling up, then eventually that VWAP is going to cross the SMA, and we will definitely be touching over here at $34. So yes, I mean, of course, you're going to experience some reversals. That's just part of the game. There's going to be retests, but long term, definitely a buy. And if you choose to buy this on a long-term basis, I'm talking about a year to 3 years, then you're going to enjoy some great dividend increases, and capital appreciation. Green Dot Whisperer out here just trying to hook you up, trying to make your portfolio bulletproof. So, you get to reap the capital off of the markets in year 2021. Green Diamond Whisper is wishing you the best. Hope you have a great night. And I'm going to be signing out. Hope you got valuable information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And sign up for Webull. Don't leave that money on the table. Just the description is going to be below. Chart champions is still growing on a daily basis. Description and the link is in the description below as well. Don't forget to join. It helps everyone else out. Good night.